The next question: can someone like me ever love herself? I'm 27, fat and a little ugly. I've never been past past first base. I carry my weight in my stomach. I'm near 190 and 5'2". My grandma has shamed me for being single. I don't know what career path to pick. I'm thinking about just picking anything at this point, even though I truly don't like it. Others my age getting engaged, or that I see are getting engaged, while I am dealing with an identity crisis. So what you need to do is that you need to stop letting negativity win. You might be in a toxic environment right now. You might be within an environment that is toxic, that is cancerous, that most people are in that situation right now. So you're not alone if your household is toxic. But what you can do is you have to be able to love yourself for who you truly are. Now, mind you, if you're perfectly okay with being that weight, okay, that's fine. If you want to do that, if you want to lose the weight, there are so many, I could get into it, but there are so many things that you can do to get your weight down. But what you need to understand is that you need to love yourself for who you are. You want to get to a point where you can look in the mirror and say, you know what? I did good today. I'm good enough. Simple things like that. When we talk about self-love, self-improvement, personal development, those are things that are simple. They don't take thousands of hours to do. They don't take going to college. They don't take all this effort. It's the simple things that you tell yourself every single day. You know what? I did something bad today. I failed today. But you want to know what? I am stronger than that. I am going to focus on my future and not my past today because I love myself. Tell yourself things like that. Stop putting yourself down. You have to stop letting the world crush you. You're letting the world take your dream and just crush you into a point where you hate yourself. And that is a point where you're at rock bottom. And I hate to hear people say that they hate themselves because you're better than that. And you know it. You allowed the world and social media and your family to tell you something negative about yourself. And once the world tells you something so many times about yourself, and if you're weak internally with your self-love, you're going to believe it. And that's not true. You are not your flaws. Why do we keep letting other people tell us something about ourselves that we don't even believe? And then we internalize it and believe it and walk around with it ourselves. You have to stop doing that. You need to believe in yourself again. You need to be able to have self-love again. When you were a child, you weren't thinking about none of this. You were just ready to do what? Have a good time. Be happy. Get back to that state. If you want to change your life, then go do it. But if you're content with yourself, love yourself. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Stop letting the world crush your dreams, because you can accomplish anything you want in life. And don't compare yourselves to other people you see on social media, because that can easily turn to envy. Envy turns to jealousy, and jealousy turns to hate. You don't want to become a hateful person. Instead of hating on somebody, cheer them on. It might hurt at the time to cheer somebody on that you think that you can do better at something at, but it is good for your soul to cheer people on. Don't be jealous. Stop being a jealous person. That may not be you in this circumstance, but I know a lot of people, when they want something, when they want something and they're seeing people on social media do it, they get jealous, they get envious, and they get hateful. And then they hate themselves because they can't even do it. So you see the cycle? I want you to snap that cycle. I want you to get off social media, and I want you to tell yourself that you're good enough, because you're beautiful, you're powerful, you're strong, you're confident. All of those things are within you. All of those things are right here, right in your brain, right in your heart. But you have allowed the world to tell you that you can't do it. You've let the world just stomp out those parts of your body and only leave the parts that are insecure about it. Why is that? Why do you think that? Because negativity is so powerful, but positivity is stronger than negativity. So I want you to understand that you're going to be okay. If you want to change your life, then go out there and change it. But if you stay having low self-esteem, it's going to be with you forever, and it's going to keep affecting you. I hope that that helps you out. Last question